When you want to connect to the internet, you first connect to a network. Maybe to your wireless home network, to a Wi-Fi hotspot, or directly to your internet service provider. Since that network is already connected to the internet, then you too are connected to the internet, and connected globally. Of all the many activities on the internet from which you can choose, some of those activities require a fast connection, and some do not. No matter how much data you need, or how fast you need it, data rate is known as bandwidth. Bandwidth of a connection often means the maximum possible theoretical data rate. That is, how much data can pass through a connection in 1 second. Or sometimes it refers to the actual data rate, or data throughput. Bandwidth can be pictured as a pipe. In fact, a network connection is often referred to as a pipe. The width or diameter of the pipe represents the bandwidth. And what flows through the pipe is data. The greater the bandwidth of the network pipe, or the wider it is, the more data that can pass through it. Similarly, when the pipe is not large enough for all the data which needs to flow through it, the overall speed of all the data slows down. Different technologies connect you to the internet. The bandwidth of your connection, or the size of your network pipe, can be largely determined by the type of technology used to connect you to the internet. Low bandwidth internet activities are email, reading an internet news page, viewing website text and images, e-shopping, banking. They do not need a high-speed network link. But other applications might require a faster, medium bandwidth connection, like telemedicine or internet voice and music. Still other internet tasks require a fast network connection. Streaming video is just such a task, requiring a high bandwidth link to ensure proper picture quality. There is another important factor which affects the overall speed of your data: network latency. Latency is a slowdown in network response and the delivering of data due to network delays. High latency means long delays, low latency, short delays. Latency is a combination of network congestion, router delays, and propagation delays. You can determine your own connection speed by performing the Montana Broadband Speed Test at mtbroadband.org. The speed test checks the connection speed, or data transfer rate, between your computer and the Montana Broadband Speed Test server. When you start the test, a connection is created between your computer and the computer hosting the speed test server. But that connection is not really a direct one. Your connection path actually winds through multiple networks, hopping from one network to another until it reaches the final destination of the speed test server. At the end of the speed test, you see your connection speed. If you decide to run the test again, you will almost certainly see a different speed result. Your network connection speed is always changing, along with network usage, network latency, and your connection path for all connections you make over the internet.